Okay, so this video is about how to add phone frame on your tutorial on the phone. So to go from this to this, it is very easy. All you need to do is to download the CapCut application and then to press new project, and then you have to select the tutorial that you want to add the frame on. So mine is the first video that I recorded. It's a random screen recorder. The first thing I need to do is to delete the CapCut logo, and then I'll go back to the start, and then on the bottom bar you can press on sticker, and then you scroll on the right until you find this icon over here, this frame icon. When you click on the frame icon, you can find some different frames that you can add your tutorial on, but I will choose the first one over here because it looks like a real phone to me. It's right over here if you see it, so you have to just adjust it on your screen and then to drag it until the end of the video. Be aware to pull it until the video ends right here, and then we go right to the start. We make sure that our content is inside the frame and we adjust it. Just play around with it until you find the correct. You might notice that the background is gonna have a little bit of excess, but don't worry, we are going to fix that, and we are going to fix that when I finish dragging the video up. Yeah, I think that's perfect. And then I need to blur the background because I don't want it black. So what we'll do, we'll go back right here, and then we find the background icon, which is right here. We click on it, and then we select blur, and I always select the first option, and it looks like that. Look, here is the background, the blurred background. If you don't blur it, it's gonna look black and it's not good. It's better to look blurred. And that's it, you've finished. You just press export and your tutorial or your video is inside of a phone frame. I hope I helped you with this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and press the notification button to get notified when I upload a video. Bye!